Onchumurelia undize TV mkwadi nvene ase entunda yende entunda omwelio ase omuroberio bwensakia omogeni twaganyete okiranire ase studio tubwati kwetera senchiro mtandao ito Facebook Ndize TV News Digital, YouTube Ndize TV News na utera mtandao ito www.ndizetv.net namba ito SMS 0792192834 wakire karibu sana ase Ndize TV mambia bono
ya mono
asifaido mulele Ndize TV tumanyango amalietago ayaningo naendenga nkero keke okwamerelia
ya mono asa marieta nkoro kwa yuptumbo nkere dibuago ase ward ya Nyansiongo ninde interested koriye kirokyo MC ase ward yeyo naende nabonko banomuga kuba kotebya abantu bane the fellow residents ina ruling party ya koroa amaya the UDA party ekandanga into the party headquarters Nairobi ekanga an opposed ticket as the march anticipated by election
ticket kwa etwe ondenaro le kwa merele bose enchira nero manyine nabanta se officially ngakia ali gatoka kwe ticket utamereri none.
Of course opponents wane from the side of Asmio kanyaba orokire interest go chakondwa ne ticket hiyo lakini because I was determined, I've done much on the ground as oko siraba abantu bana se ward koru obacholu akoletu we've been suffering ntobu ati representation yende so na bere gingo siraba abantu bane and I'm happy for the mentorship yabara iba UDA asende babeire bakombwato koboko ase esabariye. Yes.
All right, erebya kigima tomanyango mate bali bandi zitimbare baraba kuliria engana bose kulire ward ya Nyansiongo bakwibulinga ingakie kunyaleka no mutabwate mu MC tomanyango kirite mu bwate mu MC bikirabona
obacholi mbwa koletu lakini there were election ma bwasarigete asengencho yo bokurumi kule chiche ibetu ekina gekabe ku kotini koti karambia etsafu abantu banyansiongo with justice ekanalify obacholi obu
tumanyango ngakia bamenyi be county ose bungelia ose ward ya Nyansiongo mwabere mongo gendra no bugima bwino ane mono kubwate kananga mutabwate mu MC.
Mr. Job, to be very honest, my people have been suffering. Onye totari kuba ikanga so enchera yo kuba sirana area. Babeire bago sava sana se in terms ya magendera. Kende ngeo kigendera tororo since 2022 chikura chiage tu. Unfortunately runa IPC eta iyo omuda wabeire omutambe. Abantu bane banyansiongo basumbukire lakini rende since they are Christians na ende mbatangana tinyasai motu yasawa babeire gagotorokaniria no ntubwati morai orobis.
All right, tumanyango asense moya ya siasa ninga kintangani okwamirire kero kyoburayi bose kuruma kwaratemire.
History ya nene is brief na temeta kuliye kirogeke asoba cholbuyetete omo deputy president yo rebono president yese akaturangilia Nairobi. I was privileged to sign the youth charter on behalf of the people of Nyamira akaranda angeli aturangilia orabantu ba Nyamira akandu next samba kante no mosininde ni some imaneno ya siasa naende akangini karichi na God this time is the best agante bina di bagato kurwanira na bande bagaka bari ngororo by their chance mbati ko tambira kende therefore and I was up in a chama ito ya UDA it considered me as Nyamira County Beka. I was selected as nominated by chama. I was accepted with IPC number 1 under youth category. Kuna ngona igamba nominated MCA. Lakini Nyamira ntujito korobia sobo choliobu. Kanyole kiruwe kemo kia gesima. esrotia ya mekampura baswa as a county assembly.
Ngomwa konyora ibiro ko ibena bokwa ryo se county assembly.
Yes. Kuna mbaonde county assembly ya.
All right, ere bujakigima toswa bene ase ensemo yamagendro ensemo elia yechisemi meroberi obwatora cho goikirania ensemo elia yemeroberi yechisemi ase wodilia ya Nyansiongo.
Mr. Job, for sure the current the 21st century toribona igachisemi na chio chirekeregeto. Asemi gekoba nero ekobe ko mwana bwo mutaka no mwana bwo monda at the same craft. Therefore, God willing, I pay Johnson as an MCA ya Nyansiongo ward to represent abantu bane. I will support abana baito, abana baminto asenjera ya masomo. Number 1, chipase nimbe fair, tinkopa select kwa so kwenda na chipase ninte megusira abantu bane. Asengencho ya tekiringa kirtambe complaints ya bayibo na ba complain chipaseri asibari konye baroro abarengi ko babu at transparency asenjere nekero transparency tayo go bantu bari konyora seri batakeire guarantee ya sekatipana education must be free asikiroyo.
Ensemo yende togosoa asamangana alingete chipara as usotara so singa mangana alingete chipara ebirasi bya ECD ase wode liye Nyansiongo tumanyango nakibire andi nkiorigete jogokora nemono asugusira chisemi cha ECD
so far na bongo te bambia amanene bwensema no umuchumbo ne we constituency ba temiro usira ECD no abari mba ECD babekre ororo ngo mbagendera togusira nanchi God willing I be elected no mu MC obo ni so yoko kwa na so gusira abari na se oko be kama gendera se no chi birasi nali abana baitu baratware asaro ngibasomera.
Ensemo ichipara ase wodi ya Nyansiongo ngakimogendrete asinga kichiabona ndemero berikyo bwate asugo chikwana kinga kwa biro kwa gachi chipara.
Mr. Job. Chipara na chichire pathetic right now. Since chikura chiyage tu chipara chiito kende ngeki yakorirwa. No epare kugenda se Revo Force project jauri asere main center yaito ya ward erembe ebitongo bire binge para abantu amatobara mange mono the inroads are pathetic lakini God willing I be elected I will give roads first priority because chipare kero chiro siribuya omolemi kero mondo na bako haso iniso ra style aso koirwanira access ye para nere gento kiamana asabantu bane.
All right, ere bujakima toko cha ase ensemo elia yechinyagitali tumanyango asinyagitali ngakimogendera tashinga kichabo ndemero berikyo bwate anomono aso chikogendera na bukini chinyagitali ase wodi ya Nyansiongo.
Chinyagitali after chi katiba ya 2010 ya better in press chia better before just say under the county government and as an MCA we are under the county government so ninte meko rayas with my governor despite that is in my party was Asmio my people want development so on matters yechinyagitari ninte meko korayu na nyare abantu bana banyore RT erendo ngasengecho umuntu kare na afye ndonge kirendo nawe kunyarika chipara chinyagitari nchiri position ndonge no amali yogo no mpana tongo ikachiri chia borase chi dispensary cheito lakini echi ko borase ngenjona ondeta yo korofa site ondeta yo ko sugumba no ega na motebi na my people are suffering so God willing that one also I will keep close contact.
Asense meli okorwa ni matenga na mubaga ine ne skimu Achi estate yalia nabo igo asensemo ya match tumanyanga asa macharo na kimo gendrete nabo igo mirobiri kyo bwatane mono aso kwanike kwa birukinia a match akwanike nga menyi be wodi ya nyansi onko nyara bara match
ritanga nentaito kumanyi ntori intubal kaine scheme asenkoru is a settlement scheme ya nyansiongo ne scheme in 21st century Mr. Job I don't advocate aba mama baito bagenda kogenda chidoche. We are in a modern world, and I like our president. Even he has been front right as oko impress yamagenda yebisima the modern ones. Abantu banyore amacha chinyumba chiabo and their households. Amacha atakirabe in every household asing enja mache water is rife. So I will try my best mbe kebsima arafu mbe kechitangi chinene at least every center ya every getu beyond I'm having 14 pouring stations. Kere getu na bankoli gi chitangi chinene no ibere mbe kensa fry bana match.
Alright, ere bujaki matanga turarango mbarabia baba bere oso asemitandao to ya Facebook Ndizi TV News, digital YouTube Ndizi TV News, na botera somtando ito www.ndizitv.net ase imambi ya abono ase kulende karo kuligiria enchero buraibwa beire boko bakurwa samatu kama nkira bikwanera igora ba MCA ba beire bako chorumate amangana alengete chi county tali karachi tega chitu mwaka ange 2020 around 2012 we had the first was to nalito abeto gochaka gutwara ba MCA batanga 2013 igonka itenga wikera bono iga aba twakure myaka ange 14 iga igoma tinga ba MCA bare barabere kurumaya nkira bikwanera go buraibwa wikera bono.
Asante. I understand tuatware ange vipindi vivera kurumaiga na tuatware the MCS in office basavya abantu bane and I want to salute them as engage bakotega siabo in an honorable way and report card ya bananchi mbabwate whatever bananchi ba anticipated kurwa sebare mbabwate the marking. Therefore, to my side, na bongo ba kirambi mono because they are my seniors. Ba sabri abantu bane. Na and going forward, God willing, I get the chance. Na enchini temo korali kero kende bata kolete. Asing encho the people I have asen koreane. They are my people residents banyansiongo. Iwo nintemo kora to my river pest as so safa abantu bane according to ari amadarachi ari babwate.
Alright, andoche Elijah Tinega tebanga pamoja mjuku hata andoche nga Edwin na Matagaro Brownie kurwa Estates of Nyariacho Nyamira atenga na tukwa tumurobiruensa kia Brian Omweri from Nyamira County Borabu Sub County Nyansiongo Ward no ale ime kurwa sekenyoro kia Sakem no inya maita sabi Sakem. Klaus Nyakeza following Umurobiruensa Kimambia Bono, Andrew Machini following Yobe Shobe Shaibo following Nabo Yondo Chinga na Bange wa Ndratokubuati Umurobiruensa Kia Ben Andrew watching from Nairobi Igatia Bange and Tukubu Umurobiruensa Kia Semambi Yabono. Nima tinga ino musayori aye buno musai mauncho rikyo chukoreta ne mono ase ewodiri nyansiongo
no maene no musaende naende as a word, I understand Abasai Nabutor the majority, and for sure Abasai we got a lot of challenges. Empowerments, Abasai Bami to Kasinchio, Abasai Bami to Basomira Masakarai Chile Chimesa, lakini we got job crisis. Ninte memono. Ninte memono Kurayas with my party leader who happens to be the president of the Republic of Kenya because
Kubuatale simiabono
Moskebuense no montomia
Ngomo igorore
of course kurase ato nere. He has been a role model to me. In fact, nero ngempre serious savarie agonte bina anything is possible for those who dare to be great. And I want to thank him in a special way as enjo as a role model yokubwata vijana koboko baroki. He demonstrates Kobomurai. As enjo, he knows the way, he goes the way, and he shows the way. Therefore, as a vijana biyami nitase wodi ya nyansiongo, ni inteme kubasira. On matters environment, ni imbaro kie bisoero. Unabona recently, naboko toko nyo chibeso wetera se Facebook. Facebook imonena bwiyense na korobo science, aka rosienchera yoko nyora chibeso, ikalasene simine internet kwa chibeso. Another thing, bisieri bya igwero chisiko naboko abasaibana nko ba connect basoke banyora chibeso. Nabali bagane tikokora amagenderera se obonje bwe byombe nko basira senjera yamo ose ende. Togi enderli asengenjo the future rise as abantu abasinini atore the youth.
Ere bujake gima kurende asama tukamaega to ira basa emirimo kurende mangana babibi bakora serikali county usibunge county nyamya zata koranga basae nabairwe kisegi kikaba kiko ene kiwasegeka asebunge ri county nyamira tima tinga yabudumo sae ndo fauti kiyo chikoleta kegira basa to tukoba emirimo akini rende mbaraba wekera ni emirimo bunegwenderta.
It's unfortunate. Abasae the few baribanyo babairira kibakonyora emirimo babaire babakeria sinini lakini not all. For instance, the Speaker of the County Assembly, the current Speaker, Mr. Enoch Okero, is a youth. Leadership services are offered, they are excellent. Tobuata basaya basinini asere punga ito ya Nyamira, even the nominated MCA Mosque Doris Namanga Mosai, is doing fantastic job. Tobuate basaya bangi. So personally as a youth, kinko genoro, ninte mena inche ko ascending craft kia basaya for the good record. Asing incho to isa koligeri we want Chindoto Chiamandi. Asing incho protest uno mo MCA God willing. Niso sabu ya my people the county ya Nyamira na barare bijago chimoto asing inja baroro una chigavana ngo watabari na bo na intunya sara korobija moskoto be chigavana. Therefore we need to do ega singi yake roto iro bocho oborai to koroborai obija o kogokie asinjira como togino onya sai
bono kwabiro tebanga asinga kicha bono nyanga mo watu mo MCA no ndete kusira amenyibe ward ria nyansiongo mindu kibende to korane mona so basira
abantu bane be ward ya nyansiongo litana kubakira byamo abantu bali very understanding. They know me buna a true classic ye asura. And for sure Antonio no more nyumya. Go ikara kalile ni to get a chingondi, ni to get a chingoko. Avocado the modern avocados, the so-called as in Begate. Got a mande go ikara kali. Moskongora anda abantu seedling chi avocado na batebina na chiko bakoy. Moskaba saibaje ba bakke na batebina chake kiombe na ba chiko kono iberisato na ba chako ko igenda. It doesn't count in a keneno okora. To yega sinini monto okora ko gijo okora from enkoraime okana nyasai na boge kosuki abasaiba minto na abantu bane be ward. No asama bakoba na boto wika tuwasira abantu ba minto keliega sinyas to konyara tuwasira kanisa kosira tole. And in a special way tinkweba go thank at the National Assembly Chief Whip Mosque Sirfana Sisor Moscoli despite that it doesn't come from Nyamira County obeire ka kombwato ko bako no mwana mwabo mosinini obeire ka ko ngorokereri obeire ka gonsira to this far. So abara ibuna bali nabo tokoboka singencho when they see development ya abantu abasinini mentorship bakoboka gotomenta so nintema okorama ya godwiri
togo so asamangana lengete ebunge ose e county ya Nyamira nduro chenga libirera nene tegati mu governor no mo senator Okongo Mugeni tima itingira yokwanira mangana.
Those are my seniors. The governor, I'm a senator. In the novo Kena say Motuanena. They are my seniors. And they invited a in office Bakaimoki Kurona, Bakorava to Banya Mirigas. Because you're a senator, no offer oversight. Because you're a governor, no Korobora Yogorongase County Assembly without being selective in any way. Therefore, Chise Gibabuate, Tinta Soima, Tikoma Netia Kibakabuate, with the governor Akerongora, no Montomosini on the social media platforms, Korana and Reto Koramagan, Yagateva, Senator Nair Naga, Reto Komokor oversight, Komosia Magoso, of which that's his duty because ataman usati ligoso igotara koragasi aye elia komomusara. Therefore I strongly believe that chise gibabuate chire personal ne chise chingia chioko leta magenda se county to ya Nyamira.
All right, ere buyakigima ono imambya bana inkora be ukubuli ya serikali ane mono ababunge ane mono asukwajireria ukukorosi we kiombekeli kia IEBC inura menyipe wodi ya Nyansiongo.
On my own behalf na behalf ya bamenyi ba Nyansiongo bonsi all the residents of Nyansiongo na bongo tebia serikali ya ito ya Kenya Kwanza ekora unomosike William Samuel Ruto. Amana bachumbe bonsi the National Assembly. I do understand they did their part. Senate Mba colleagues Yabendonge as a Nganaba Buate ya NATCO. Right away, not only the top one, already the panel is in the press ya commission cha IPC. So I want them to post as Owango, Asukuma Ngane yo, commission chiba in press, yo not only what the Nyansiongo. Since I'm managing the Sumbogata Kenya, Chirichibuate, Chire Chitabuati Oborai, Naborai a opportunity, by exercise right yabo, Chole Abarai Babo, Asenjera and Onge, Dio Bag and Rabotukumaya say Magandela.
Ere buyaki masenjo no chinga ebiro bya bere bi komnyoka kimata tenkweli bakali abene obego kwana na menyi begodi ya Nyansiongo obeko batebinga ingana yo mwelio asimambia bo nabo boigo nabo kwanira anemono igoro yobo choli bole musyo
unganjere ndige TV direct a camera. I want to thank my people we wodi ya Nyansiongo sejera ya kipekee for being wonderful people. Babeire ba toko lemerania asenga ke yonsto kabuati omo MCA and I want to assure you nyasai na rama na into tago totiga ekiyo kankubasaba mogende ko saberani natari nje kuyeka balibons babuate kirenga yo koligi ekerwe kenkoligi basaberani asengencho oborai nyasao koru tuto koli to cha saba to baito to bai manifesto ya ito motegerere moto mowei potovas mora role fit for that ekerwe kyo momoya opportunity abakolegas. Therefore Chenko ba kirambia mono ende ko basa moge dragon sabera asa chikura chira motu chie pa erection ere projected ahead of us ni bororo ai uri ninje na imoki ependera ya UDA ni ntemo wo just mole na ende kindly you consider me akolegas.
Lochenga Brian Omweri oyo is our MCA Nyansiongo, huyo tushampatia kura zote. Oche ex Marine Taiso akatabanga umusori bwecha kurukijauri Nyansiongo Ward Ayubu Tumbo for MCA Toshinga abantu bambaende tu wakera ekoko kigima korwa asense mo ye mitandao na boigo mbande tu wakera gotebanga mbachigusira abange basasumurubirio gwensa kembia mono ane mono aso ikira nase studio Ndizi TV ni matinga biro bya tonyorake kolende ntobe tukunyokuranga nabo gutenda gusanga naso bwagali ane mono igoro ya magendro yodelia ya Nyansiongo Mwanchumureli ya Ndizi TV tuwawetu kusanganere Ayubu Tumbo korwa ase woda area ya Nyansiongo oyo merete amateke rogekyo nabo igobero kwana na inchi igoro emeroberio abegeche nabo igo amakungu baenrete gwetera kubwatekananga no gutatuara omo MCA ni maetinga aibuno umenyi bwensemi Nyansiongo kwa biro kwemanyia amange anemono chinga tuwawetu kusanganere ase imambi ya abon nditane nkuruko Job Maangi na wakone kinga chibiche chibigo na maliogia wikera ase nchira Jobo ikironere Abigail Nyanchama korwa asentari kumweba Frida Kerubo oyitu abatugusirana nere wikera asangari bagali abene asokwenda gusanga no mugeni oyito emambi yabono wikera litukoli yankyo nabagane iri buliria obuyaimya Ndizi TV nabwo obwansu umuguse